The drug is available as 25 milligrams per 5 ml. And that means that there's 25 milligrams floating around in the 5 ml of fluid. And we want to know how many milligrams, our units are the same, how many milligrams will be in 7.5 ml. Well, look, if we divide 5 by 2, divide 5 by 2, and we'll get, let's do that, 5.00 divided by 2, 2 into 5 goes twice and 1 over, bring down the decimal point, 2 into 10 goes 5 times, so we get 2.5 mils if we divide that by 2, and if we divide this by 2 to keep the balance, 25 divided by 2, divided by 2, 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 5 goes twice, and 1 remaining, bring down the decimal point, 2 into 10 goes 5 times, so we get 12.5 or 12.5 milligrams in 2.5 right, mils. Now you see, if we add the 2.5 and the 5, we'd end up with 7 mils. And if we add these fellas here, 25 and 12.5, that had come to 37.5 milligrams in 7 mils. There should be a 7 there. And that would be our answer there.